Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are checking out Skin Elements Men's Intimate Wash with tea tree oil, witch hazel, and some other extracts. So direction for use: wet intimate area with clean water. Press the nozzle of the bottle to get rich foam. Gently apply, rub, and circulate wash onto the skin and leave for 25 to 45 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and clean. For external use only, keep away from children. So this is a men's personal hygiene. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what the bottle looks like. So this is it. So it kind of looks like the foam spray. Just for the sake of the video, to show you guys what it looks like, we're going to open it up, and I'm also going to put some in. Let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, that smells really good. Wow. It brought back a childhood memory, like something that smelled from my childhood, but I can't pinpoint the scent. That is very interesting. Alright, so, as you guys saw, it's liquid, so I would assume it works about the same as the liquid soap. Yeah, so then you would put this on your intimate areas for your men, and like it said, 25 to, I think, was it 25 to 45 seconds? 25 to 45 seconds. But this is the consistency. And, you know, I know there's a lot of men out there that could care less if they smell good, but there is a lot of men that actually do care about their hygiene. I am one of those men. I personally shower twice a day, and hygiene is very, very, very strong to me. So this is the consistency of how it looks. You know, fades away. The smell is amazing. You know, again, this is for intimate areas, for men. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this off. Okay, my friends, now that I'm back, so my hands smell really good. So it does have a lasting effect. So there are some, I have reviewed similar things in the past, that when you put it on, you know, testing your hands is a really good way of testing a soap, how long the freshness lasts and the scent lasts. And one thing I've noticed that in the past, other ones, you know, right as soon as you wash your hands, the scent is almost gone. This, the scent is still there. Overall, I love it. It's nice. And for the men that actually care about their personal hygiene, check this out, guys.